it's not easy udisage only a single parent okay na maybe a backup nyana ke bona ba one ba re ba rudisa vele. There is a time whereby we had to start afresh like bommele le borena because as I said re dula mo Jedrene. So after losing my grandma we had to relocate to Bolobedu. So ra lose Mose after Bolobedu, you know the relatives so my mom had to start from afresh go wire one room. That one room be accommodate what by 5. So at some point I felt like why nare so why gore ke ka khona disoro okay why nanke yo line ke mara no bono rawa mara ntshake ratra gore background yaga indilo re be strong landusa. So I guess maybe ngelo re go edima background are good and kadawagi guy na mara na my background made me to be strong woman.
Dumelang Mashaka, simply meaning hello relatives. Welcome to Success Link podcast, a place where we talk about anything and everything that affects human life. So as you know, in each and every week we have a new guest. For those that are joining for the first time, my name is Letlokhonolo Wakachweni, all the way from Tanin. And yes, I hope you guys are going to be part of this amazing family because we bring to you amazing conversation, real people with real stories. And you know what they say, we learn from each other's stories. We heal from each other's experiences. You know, we become aware of certain things because of other people's experiences. So with that said, please join the family. Just click the button and subscribe. You must also watch the entire video. You must like and comment. Please, let's help the channel grow so that we can bring more people on the channel. With that said, today I have an amazing lady. And what I like about today's guest is that, you know, they say charity begins at home. As I'm trying to do these sit-down talks, you know, I'm reaching out to people, but some people that are not willing to be on camera. So when you reach out to people back home and they're like, hey, we are here, it's amazing. Hi, ma'am.
Dumelade.
Hi. You're so shy.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
Ne? Are you good?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
You have such an amazing smile, hey? Lidi koti marameng.
Whoa.
No, welcome to Success Link, and you know, thank you for agreeing to come and have a sit down with me. I have introduced myself. I avoided to ask you a lot of questions because I wanna know you. Everything that I'm gonna be hearing here, I'm hearing it for the first time, right? So maybe introduce yourself to our viewers, just who you are and where you come from. Then we'll take it from there.
Okay, gali dumedisa ga moga vale deo ene gratole bwa monyedolo mpilo no re gitege moja jin la nase nagali naga na lerato ngapele ke kwa drobodinyana ya ga mozanene ga mo so ke bebedwe mo Jedrene site jabole nyenye so ginono dulanyana for how long anka obola mara relera relocate la to Bolobedu.
Okay.
Mawa blockade. So yeah, kena la radwa zanene. Currently full time gimo Joburg nyana. Ngasina bega borgai baragana mo so awa nagumlobedu odala pa.
Yes.
So yeah.
Let me put a disclaimer. I remember when we started talking, you're like, we need to talk Kilobedu. I'm like, don't worry. We're going to mix both Kilobedu and English, you know, and the reason why I'm being intentional with this conversation that we speak Kilobedu. Most of the time you find that Gimulobedu Limupedi it's a Lobedu speaking person and someone speaking English, which is okay. But I think also when you listen to two Lobedu people speaking, well, like Lobedu and the people and so I'm just saying to our viewers, we're gonna mix. And then hopefully, I pray and hopefully we'll have subtitles. If not, we'll be figuring out the subtitle and things. But yes, we are going to have an amazing talk. Yeah. I didn't know you're from Mawa Block 8.
Mawa Block 8.
Really? I grew up at school.
School.
Just neighbor. It's a neighboring, 2 villages away.
ne
Yes.
a was khula kuzibuya mara nginozora ngana gwada society jaburina.
Oh, okay. So you say you are coming from Mujidin. You were born in Mujidin.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I love knowing my guest from the beginning of it all. Maybe start us from, the family setting, how many siblings you have, your parents, just the family setting that you come from, yeah.
Okay, abo mer 4.
Okay.
So now I'm the second born. Kinali sesi, ke first born, then second born I have 2 younger brothers. So gergen give okay, Rudy sujagi a single parent. Gabo
okay.
mefela so la rado la babe ne arelezebe. So family background ish ngasri very bakhumu baini oba ngasri very ke sogola cause azanga ka like anything. So gnor family background ya gabe maybe gnor average nyana mara lazori I give bebian shagzuk do bebian mara it's not easy udisagi only a single parent okina maybe a backup nyana kibona baiwa no ba rudisa vele. So abu me erefo gamko gedal sesne. So yeah usesuaye then gen nagigamo dilo zama jabu pilo. Then my younger brother Lena on this side. So last born ya okay mwana mama nyana okay skolo. So ish lazako bula. Okay, there's a time whereby we had to start afresh, like Meli Lobrina. Because as I said, Redula Mujidrine. So after losing my grandma, we had to relocate to Bulovedu. So Raluza Mozi. After Bulovedu, the relatives Divian. So my mom had to start from afresh, go via one room.
Oh.
Yeah, that one room be accommodate what by 5. Remember we are 4 plus level Mary 5. So go rtabelaga mo, rdelaga mo. Even I remember they used to call it a dice. Never get dice. Because like la di jara
yeah, the big yes.
So no dice go one room, no do la. So yeah, we do la gara one room re 5. So about that time we were young because I think I was doing grade 7. Then my sister was in high school. My little brothers by primary. So working at that thing, hey, go like working on everything in there. So cause yeah, so from there, well, I got one room well. So maybe the business and like ababereki. Since
she's self-employed.
Yeah, she's self-employed actually. Since nariona azanga kauda kunorwa ya mushumoni we muthola oratrozo thomela something labo. I remember she used to do laza magunya na re michacha.
Fed cooks.
Yeah, fed cooks. So kidoria michachela barawa banaga Roland Baget regai jolo kia sigolo dono boya la bonor le regisije. So I remember when I was in grade 12. I be grade 12 for Nedi morning study la obla ja thoma ga
very early in the morning.
Yes. So I had to wake up level me ga I think abakazwa ga ma 3 baswe floru then twanze kuzwe gibe mezi vele outhaba acre 6 begi gate na skoloni again naga the baguette ya michacha.
You have to sell.
I have to sell or at least kiftaga well something. I can remember lose everything. Go lose mozi. Nchongole ngwe be garando. Nchongole we had to start from afresh.
How did you lose everything? Okay, let me understand that you're staying in Mujidin.
Yeah.
Like Mujidin, was it your dad's side of the family?
Yeah.
Also, your mom was married.
Yeah, I was married.
And your dad is still around. Where's your dad?
No, Baba Tofadaga 2003. I think I was 5 months.
Oh, I'm so...
Yeah, 2003.
Okay.
So Radula le my grandma. So
your
me by my queen.
Okay.
We mo top like Mamilodi bo so. Re Radula le bogogo. ya ba le gore ka 2013 ba thokofala le ba thokofala so tshwanetse re sale le makoti le borangwane and la za di-family di bjale so makoti a re aua na ka se tlhokomele bana mosadi a ema kgwene da o rwale bana bao ya no ba dating ya no re a relocate re do da ra boya so not knowing gore borangwane wa do thokofala mosadi ka bozozi a change maina di ene mara
it was a family home
actually ba mo zwa bobabe ene go a borena just the target na re ba batho go re ka zebiselo
family dynamics
so o uzwa mozola ke mo ile wa re le mosora wa mozubo imaine na borena like this so no hour at last mozurukhumane but no full time replare mawa
that's how you relocated. You left Mujezi go start there.
Then rara trauma fast from one room la na bela okay daisinyana ke ndona ki
I get
so I've in that background ya gashem yo bokunzima ubo isi easy lo re mo ke fitlhela na se fitlhela na ke cause bo isi easy mara re dorge re no le ba modimo re konde mafelelong.
And I love the fact that you say your mom she never had a job but still somehow she just managed gore ba lefe bophelo because the fact that wakondo higher, I mean, like if you're not working you can imagine how hard it must have been for her.
Ubo khona motho no re at least an opportunity bona ya re ga tsa challenge ba no make sure ba idea banaka ke na dodia so le borra rawa na re yona re nyogorwala re do rexa re dodini so actually go te gara bomme ke motho le business so ya khosora wa le nna ke na bagajia di tips ana mo or ga le ka motshana zikhono nthusa ifi audience.
But I find some people have you ever been in a situation mo loreng you compare yourself why are we like this or for you it was just like this is all I know, it's okay because you understand my mom is here, or maybe did it somehow affect you or you feel like no, this is not right, this is unfair?
Sure, but zriile because okay sekelaga bele batho ba re they have both parents, they are working so nage nayo lo no re ba kere gambo ke reish nazo nanga sizikhone like cause ngiyazibore like background ya ke byani landisa so at some point I felt like why na re so why gore ke ka khona disoro okay why nanke yo line ke mara no bono rawa mara ntshake rata gore background ya ga indilo re be strong landusa so akazibore maybe ngelo re go edima background ya re good and kadaba gi guy na mara na my background made me to be strong woman last couple na kind of stronger background ya and I get proud shem sadi ola we lwele lima jajila ya ukuja galona dora wana bana ba ga ba lwe then ke ba rutulezela ya straight or we saw udia so landusa so
but do you ever tell her yo mawe lilwile
ke ba boja no re bomme na o tlo tseba ra ngwana ga okhidiezwe
okay a re ba boja that's your camera if you were to just say something to your mom to just appreciate what would you say?
Musadi wa Frange go back le balo raba ke o le fase no marawa musadi wa Frange drama ya welwele ke motreke beno yana na sigala bagalao shout out to my mom Eunice Records o anamole beno na mawa blockade blockade le ke bona musadi wa le mo godramela le mopuputele mazo o ilwele drama ya we sham danko
no that's amazing because I think most of the time people that our parents, some of us it might not be a biological parent, but people that raise us, whether parents. I was raised by my brother. I lost my mom young. My mom also, she was also. They know Block 8. They know her. Philippine Machete. So she died when I was 16. And then life was hard, and we normally forget to just appreciate them or tell them or what you have done. I might not have the riches of the world to give you, Maravona. I know. I think it's amazing. She sounds like an amazing woman.
Said like Garbona, it's very random. I get the double. I will like I go triple. Yeah, I can make a social.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. So you mentioned Kolong, you also used to. And so you're doing it for the entire of your high school, or it only started when you were doing matric? Did it somehow maybe make you feel somehow when you're at school, or at that time you had already accepted Rabona, this is our life, and also did it affect your schooling?
Okay, this thing ya business ne. I think ge mamile landisa cause it started at primary actually. Ebampa pocket money, I would save it. Then onale barget biscuit barker get eat some more. So I would make sure, okay, this week I'm gonna save this much. Then okay, the biscuit it's 40 rand. So every weekend bazabalume bakadano like rage asan gemagule. Gedobe get packet had eat some more. Gyaputela inkifta skolo na 1 rand gamola and this. So this thing I business learned item from primary. I think I was in grade 6. Nkutamareksa would eat some more. Then egifita high school lo na when nagadi chepisi get a wholesale get eat some more gam. Chale driver came pay on a pocket money. So jamagunya or access colon determine grade 12. The time grade 12 on Koblorish, I've been next year Motrodoya Sugolo, no need that chale trail and this. So yeah, when I was in grade 12, Gumogila Tomon Rexama Gunya Maraishi basically is. Imagine I have to wake up at 3 a.m. By 6 a.m. I must be at school. I got 6:30, get morning study, Landusa so ish be tough. And at that time, Belena Gisilas is one.
We have got enough time, let's talk.
So begi active too much. La ratro gamo oned drama. Gedna. Jar get sort of packet drama gunya. I will like marawa going agar packet going came agama 6. By 6:30 in the morning study the trauma baget rebe fed. Chacha mo do da chacha. But the form I do
is she still selling them now?
Even now,
really?
Bakari, several know at least nyana expandile nyana business uneje ngonjar badi reksa maraga mchacha mawela ya zore musadi ola mcha ibla mchacha so mefela lo gogo bumane abumme abuzika kwa family la mchacha wa chacha bisi mchacha kwa shema baloga.
You know, when you're busy narrating, you're reminding me of a story with Magwinya. We went to school in Germiston, me and my cousins. So we're staying in Cabo Malome, right? We're staying in Cabo Malome. So at some point, we already at about Rupumajamanu back happy. Shout out to Maria Ramapoko. She raised us well as well. So at some point, it was 8 kids in one house, and I think they were trying to teach us business, but it didn't work because the day we feel back at Magwinya. Since the again, Regisa, what are you going to Ramagunya? Rajel pocket money, Rachela
Pecha
But I think it's amazing because I feel, such kind of if you instill certain things like knowing how you need to go out and make money, you need to sell. Money does not grow from trees like our kids think. True. I think that's something that, we all, those that have kids, we need to instill in our kids, and I think your mom did well. Because now maybe you can sell something without.
Like I can sell.
You are selling.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So that thing then grow really cause all family now revele give out to the business. Then I just stop more. Rinke skolon. Even a tertiary, I can say la radro regis. Even now, at least Rexanya na loja wana okay would eat some more and do so. I think business then I madin. Just color radibona but business man. Ginyaga wana ele na mutulor. God in newspaper la rat of the business woman and this so
from your mouth to God's ears
and this summer so ishile nation business no way marina na kuteburinga ile cham sari okan rujlo kona no gyariza maka kona or le na gyazo jajile ngo maybe dilo riga jiga labonor no unemployment yani so at least I know okay since I can create something for myself. Then maybe in future I can create maybe employment for Baba Angoloro, Badabatoga Mishomo. So I will let know. Kayemiga la lelaban rujlogalo norwanaga. Business is so.
Yeah. I'm a fan of siblingship, ne?
Yeah.
I'm one person, apparently some point in my life I once said that I love my siblings more than anyone in the world. But I think I said that the day that before I had kids, because now I love my kids more. Like how's the relationship between you and your siblings? Like what kind of relationship do you guys have?
So gore nna bosese baratho ba you're close
Ne.
gore ka re a ke se ke dore ke bakgosi ba okay nna se na motho le dichomi no ba dichomi jaana mo di-online la di dusa ja rena ba dating ore a chomi na sa re ka mara nna chomi ja ke bana ba bomme ntho go lengwe before nga ba ka isharela community ka isharela lefase I make sure re aua ke na le sese ke na le ba ka se ba betrayile la ndusa
so
so nna I love my siblings and le connection ya borena bond ya borena I don't think or there's anyone or I guy break at that point like this. So relationship have nice sharp I na mathata ra thompana ra ratana re tsega mgarela ka poka.
That's good because you know why and I love siblingship so much like bana ba motho I feel bana ba motho ntse ba kwane ups and downs there tlongo you fight tlongo you know thazali bana o le borotho ka moka the fights are always
ari ya wena ada go the winam trola bisake yo nna ke nke fofa ba ka de bana ka gella re fa jalo re khumana bile re akane re dutse ka mo so ke relationship ya rena mkhwano re a lugisa ona ntho re the ya re tsena ka boare.
That's great. That's great. Must keep it up. I did an event. I wanted to do an event I think late last year called siblingship camp. It was supposed to be a day camp. So already because we're not all I don't know. Don't invite.
And
you gotta come there. Could just you and multiple siblings no friends. It's you and your siblings there. Yeah, and then skolo. Okay, before skolo, right? Before skolo, was any guy? Arabeli na skolo, so that shout out to the school. Was any more?
Oh, primary.
Yes, primary and high school, yeah.
Okay, primary is any lokolo mage mujidrin grade R to grade 6. Then from grade 7 gizeni mawa. Blockade. So lina la skolo banor mawa primary.
Okay.
Then high school gizeni Kesetwane high school. Okay. Mawa. So yeah, jadi tertiary gizeni Palabora. Mopani TVET college.
Oh, okay. Beauty with brains.
Yeah, zama la
beauty with yeah. So in high school, right? You went to high school and then were complete. You know, when we did grade 12 already to or maybe some people get through their entire teenage life. When I grow up, I want to be 1, 2, 3, and then they go to college or whatever institution, university, technicon, then you study. You find there are certain people who say this course found me.
Yeah,
so when I take us maybe through your educational.
When I grew up, I want to be this and that. Okay, I didn't get from a primary. Primary, muna no boy blank. Go black a career day, my career. Gam tonale de la beruli nyagawain. That time was so by my queen. Gifone love say, Ngabain nako. Some says, Unyagawain, no. That time we get grade 7. So she was like, okay. Zama fitor psychologist aba go dalina le real power after garaga nyaga na psychologist na go lo re dila ga ene nkaze se so ege primary oba dilo jadi competition maybe le ga di project jadi LO like there would be the competition jar okay today le dancer the drama and so when I was in grade 7 nale no re begin edrelendele nkaze se so wabali a time whereby Tanzania recited a poem. So Barawa a dan long the poem. Firstly, retemle gaya urbano or fayona, rai creme, gilen kema belly, classy a screamer. Gareva ne that agavada mene racket shakuare. Jodi dilo mobile, Tanzu continue. So Linda Katagataga and go grabs the Karudia nana. So I remember Nawekarakia. Menir, shout out to Mr. Madrid. Again, there is something in me. I give Kaize. So, ena go kia vele vadamag. Bar marole milore. Ugudigan treso na. Garawa.
Bakra poetry na go
we poet. Garawa gale mwasilo bar zamon wala poem. Uwena ya after beg. Yo, mongalo ngodo gwa skwa khoda garwege private. Okay, gwen kradro ya malady assembly. Go black game assembly nkidi poem yel. Gabano rawa netrubu kone baby on. So from there, gina go at drum. Gen nala radruga drama good. Dancing again. Like lojalo riad kona given kazivi. Mara menero o make sure or ntshebe e khudrile o intshejang the landis. So I guess stop from there no rudia grade 7 garanke high school from grade 8 my teacher alwans bakamga etc. From grade 8 to grade 12 we went to assembly recite a poem to the whole school. Sometimes I make motivator and I can say get after I get principal and also go below my assembly. So go think the poetry, dancing, the drama, the debate. I got debate. Like the voice say, I accept the game at debate like a slogan. So that's why I saw okay. No, I love media, media about. So I can act, get the poem again. Then I was like, I get apply. Going to apply and we get apply the university. Yeah, Free State.
Hebo,
but I can accept again a challenge. Go black lemon register Mopani TVET. No, Tara 300 rand or requires a guy. Oh yeah, so shout out to Memo Bayo, Memo Lompelede. Bagwa mkwat so barawa ngwana ga gine room gwa marade that so palabo. But the room that the mara unnecessary work do wabela na ya accommodator for that time. And it is so like black well register same course or bandit okay gidile civil engineering and building construction.
Oh okay.
Maraga nkainya monano wali bidi.
Baba kina media go ba kuna le motho ile a wela razo ka se zama ba di
our media
Becky.
Negibenka apply, so I was like, no, I can't stay at home. Get school labo. So after banjaga civil engineering and building construction, mara believe kalugulu. So gadia civil the first year. Again nagad poem gore register another course mara aga give up a draw rely at the ending I was wanna get black so I made sure lo bona ba bona re good guy so when na motho mo active mola tertiary lo genja the drama the debate and all that mara ignoring feja my first year that second year I was like I media but I can still do it lumolor agia school on for the media and this. So at least let me just study civil engineering at least at the end of the day give a stable job because actually media nyana alone onyaga win a challenge and nagi
Oh, what do you mean or media onyaga win a challenge?
But the audition that time Gilimpopo but the audition Gauteng guy transit travel agena income agena sale agena allowance again as fast as Jane as fast as came magain. So I was like okay let me just focus on my studies at least till guy barawa ngwana unele title nyana is a civil engineer and this so media I will continue guy on nana go carry here. So one thing that I like about myself go azanga ga give up the time get tertiary go bla gilega kumana nyana giginyana SABC 2 so onale this other guy shout out to Pesi Hurricane umsimane lo mpelede
okay
na ilo enkirege skamba kimfonela busuba career nyaga motwari poem mugamtwana wa shoot at that time I was writing Berlin term 2 ga junior I was writing exams begiria third year so bamfonela barawa dida shooting what SABC 2 SABC 2 bafonela nna ususo bambajar gamtsara rachut and at that time I beg ya wal so I was like okay ren gino risk na ke chabuja the risk
ulicha exam
again late gibabuja uzigare ngiyangwala by 7:30 so but no problem do shootaga 5
okay and then SABC
okay, SABC actually shout out to Pesi Hurricane ogwai palabura agzigdore original ogwai yana gwana so guya na ilare ahwala radio one batho ba SABC mo ba do phone banyaka motoro uria the poem that time begidumle ga mada ga poem yo they get blind so got receive call I think was around 5 p.m. Bar hello ge man bar ge borna batho ba SABC 2 re nyaga someone ro da recite la a poem poem because that is prepare say barawa endo ba poem nyana ya kejo nyana so luckily enough over uri poem ba mpilo yona re gidi can't forget yes you know what I care about kwena
when you say you mean the like totem into ya Surname ya
Credo
yena.
ka surname ya yesu.
Oh, wow.
So I was like, hey banna bakwena I bet this poem guys ba credo ke ya kizanka yesu
Yes.
bara wona musu you are good to go ake abanke grammar script ngara as long as nkikizaba genalo boleni
Yeah.
mara that time ngiyazibusora go manager ban cause ngiyangwala
Yes.
landisa so ngibenke ngwala ga 7:30 mara we can shoot from 5 a.m. then badile badabana latra ga 4:30 yay go blank shoot and channel number plate gar yay aginya go bank kidnap gaga go gotela le no dega gar number plate go bela le tsara ka mkhwano le kana do something le phone so ne to le rara shooter
Where were you shooting?
re shootile
Where you shoot
ga
kae?
Phalaboro.
Oh, they were doing that side. Okay, no, okay.
So gaga shooter then by 6:06 ngisanda ngiyisikolo so ahanda goya re I think ngishutile ka July abe August awona poem egwa u TV and then ha ngina TV abe ngisikoloni nginore ngizona Facebook ukubona di post le ratong khapela advertisement kwa ba post TikTok on Facebook or abe ro bona TV na bagina le TV ke lo boje so
shemka yenu bokina TV
beki skolo
Phalaboro
beki rumuni de rumula za robela ajade TV yao so ngibona ke a trenda ngwile TV ni I think show ya prena igwile ga di 22 ja September 2021 ya re ke yo ino re kisana gen age ba kwena gore ithomile ka nna yo laza yo gile ka defela ka mata
ne
kare ga ibile ba just ras bana ba ro thoma ka nna kwa screen ni show so from there ke so ya bjale gizeni bjale guys kolo kargen abe mo bjale wow yo fela bjale next day ke o dia final year tshwanze ke focus so final year ya ka ke yona re be ke relax too much lo jenja like body media watwa cause bjala be ke na le that thing ya re bjale ke nyaka go next year ke nyaka yo go le ja bele jena ja di media like this so
finally I know you are going to work when now you wanna go to media qualification na buzo bokurudela
qualification ekro yo traka jabo mme ekro yo traka jaga yo ra wait list gine something
parle nangwa sigolo
iyo garawa be bjale ke final year next year do konoria jen nagiri nyaga guy abesikolo ke khadi file final yenga yoga pasa garga ya egeja ngiyela sikolo nabya
that's nice
so vele ke nayo la gegeja mara ke give up jaga mo ginodia nyana le drama nyana jana mo malaini ni nyana ya performa gidie I was a dancer we gibinela obeka lamziwa
ma
Omega bena dancer Omega mara wege high school that time na dancer na bengwa khona ka diloje
gidiloja
so gile groro faja final ya ga graduate ga study again ga 2024 then the 2025 year ke yona ya rawa again na byala
what's as you narrate this journey especially the school part and the things that you've been participating in I think one thing that stands out for me because already you gave us the background of Lo Debyani, the situation, the background at home and I feel this is something that everyone especially kids that are coming from disadvantaged backgrounds they can get to hear because most people you find them being embarrassed about their home situations that it ends up affecting their performance in school. Baba they now even turn into they're not introverts but they end up even not wanting to engage out there with other people. And I understand sometimes you'd wish to have certain things but sometimes when life throws you places you don't choose right where you want to be. So I think I like that you didn't let your family background like you say like at home dilo adina mija tlhakana sharp because mama abereki sharp understand that she's trying her level best and then you associated le bana ba matitchere le bana ba di chese le dipholoni mara you are still be able to be yourself and participate. I think that's something that I feel anyone a parent or whoever is watching aka khona botsa bana ba or guys your background ayabisiloka who you are or what you can be my own personal story and I love giving examples as well but I think it stood out for me because as one person who was embarrassed about my situation at home I don't want to accept it and I didn't like it until one day before my mom was still alive, and she said to me, because she had moved us to town,
Yeah.
we didn't have furniture. Rezela udimari padre. Arena the sofa. Like, why are we here? You know, one day she sat me down. She's like, my baby, you see this, what you see here, if it's a failure, it's mine. You still have an opportunity to come showcase.
Yeah, laza anamo like yabana gatraba no. Let nangi get sure like gile muilore. My background doesn't define me. Gide posoja bazwari not na landwisa. So na background yaga indi lor give strong. And like him motivate lori give the person or again today or ge kone get again. Let not okay the day get daw balabana aganya go the babe like I'm kona gibilo go na landisa. So the posojaba zodi aso the posojaba reda abarna tsanzira lugise mo bona ba posije wo na landisa. So na zanga ya discourage or yadi ni abzintola gishimsi as my weapon and this okay go with the soap. Now I'm gonna fight it because you have
no choice in it.
Or why I feel like I'm non agate. So niggas about not okay. Nagging go bona giga familia guy
and work hard and work. You must work hard.
So baska dumela loja background dedikwa tibela ubona like have a fight or ba fitele job na bajaga or fitele na girje like jaba zone as job one nane ngasebe ashamed ga my situation naga yore naga yeso rede ina rede asin naga naga nana so gina or chance ge change KMK so that's what I'm doing now get try change KMK or buda corner len na baba dawo ga belaga baska da bas bona ba impona ge budilo so I len na get try in the or give strong
and the very same principle works now even in adulthood, right? Remember, sometimes now we are adults, we are trying life. Certain things you are trying that are just not happening, no matter how much effort you put. But if you get to give yourself grace to understand or certain things that are beyond your control and do your part. If let's say you give mereko, your part is to apply for jobs. Is to go out there, exhaust all the job hunting mechanisms, right? Understand, because in life I think it gets to a point, and it's something that we need to teach even the young ones, or don't compare yourself. We'll never really do kana go ya tshwana kana go e ka isi le zulo zwa tshwana like you know. And then graduating after that, are you working? Did you get a job? Officially last year?
2024.
Last year?
Yeah, last year.
Yes, okay.
So, gnodoro feja, gakumana internship, Mpumalanga. Agazavile mutu Mpumalanga. So, gakumana gutabla gakumana, ish fluye. Gakumana apprentice, Mopani. Then I was like, 3 years, gukuga kedrida. You're gay. So, gachava. Gachavela Mpumalanga. So Mpumalanga gakumana internship vele ga I think till August gaboya back home ga continue ga internship mo gae. So till this year gakumana meregonyana the private company ngasina bega ya into details nyana genore rekaza mazaba bana byalo kazola zuleya. So le nna ge mothore kineri business jaga janore the side hustle actually. So enkaya mergoni yazaro okay nasi yazwa gidila ga baga lenna. So yeah, currently ginore ga zama bile ga hustle. So nka level hadi more opportunities like obviously I'm going to get a permanent job and all that. So yeah.
No mara dito bile what's the good thing go ka feja, you know. Di like taba thadi tshwane, you know, you one day the positive pila dikekwa. What do you want no job stage? Just a subject, because on this before I started this podcast, the C2 by 2, I do a lot of content. I'm sure if you check through my channel, I talk about updating CV, job hunting give mereko ka boyona, and I nyaguru give up.
Don't send that email.
I nyaguru give up because jejiba do waraba I would say as long as there's an opportunity, really my things are easy. We don't have to raw printer ready. You just working ka email wa romela ke makane and then the business ka ro tshwara ke je lo maybe di nyaka Re ka apa ka jona or what is it that you are doing?
Hey,
That re business re bana re rege.
Business no ke motho re sa like bo iPhone.
Really?
Yeah. Let them more la bile ka Android.
Kena iPhone mona le phone ya ka ntse zone bezo zuvuzi.
So yeah, no ke motho re sa ke iPhone, ke di drug maba abs tshwazole re mbulela shop mo South Africa. Cause ish ke dila ga lo jedi ntshi. Any opportunity re ga bona re nga rekisa and this is just something. Get nna ke yo ga mtsela ga no da kre you go button ge rekisa mashonje.
Yeah.
As long as it this is something so na thogole ngwe ya re e dila ga o rekisa ke nna mo so for now ye ke ro ke tsebeda yona ke ya the iPhone the sneaker ke ma bike the curtain few things
yeah ne umsadi
na umsadi araba
ebe re khola bene o sadi le ba namela bese ba ya Durban ba o regisa go re khaolo bene o sadi khona ba kere we are Durban bo re ka go ba kre regise
ba ke ba regisa
yeah no that's amazing
I like try my magra dula ga mazo as long as ke bona something or okay this one can work genna leon.
Oh, I think, okay, I'll leave. I think we'll have to attach your WhatsApp number or your social media and following so that you can, follow because, we need support. We need to support each other.
Yeah, that's support right. Okay.
We need support. Until support when I didn't picture.
My business yo motho for la mara ke jona.
Skeptical. When you talk about iPhones, just yesterday, someone ba mara. Okay, I one person who knows someone mara but how regisa di iPhone mo TikTok ke bo bona mara ke re ke se ke thakanela ka motho wa o regisa so nasi ke thakanelwa o I regisera or we will re no bona ore ya re to check ke mo kan re bone but it's amazing whatsa a ona ntho ta khatsa tshwana motho wa o sudule ka matso
ya nna she modula ka matso a ke done na agere go ro ga re khudula da nthongara re yey zwa so lona o dore ine ka baka la a nna motho nyoko dawo ke mokane wena o luje na ya ke bereka ke da offer even if ke batswadi le bo bona ne be like mma lo disitse boima mini re now le bolena ke na ka hore le botse mawe le shapo mtaso ke ona and then le di right bona shomsadi o la drama o ilwele ngebe lo rase di business jaje mutwana ba ka da ba kere mama kweni the rent so le nna ke no re jela ngwa garage mara msadi o a ke no tshara lo tshege no muriela shop ya we mara landisa so drama di ka mkhwano business
yeah so now let's get into your content creation nako uzibe the TikTok
hey la bona ya okay ngwe
uzibe the TikTok but what stood out for me I see the work that you do the skits la actor and you're good
ke no re maybe do fita matho na batho ba sharp
tshelo ngo ka re maybe skim sambo ba o bona ba maybe
nge ba zo re zinya ka byane
bana magala o zeni go khodo ba kilobedu ke serious
nga ke dria or ba ka mparole ya mopedi ke re ne ke tshele kilobedu ka eselo nyogo bona ke to boma so ya acting leona ke nthore yeah ratra actually jeni ntshiya di bona mara not acting
yeah but so far o kano actor ka on dia diskits on TikTok ne
for now no ba travela no re shere ke no tswa ke no bara mariposa na ke no bona re go actor guys so get baby yo mongonyana ga akere lo jarna information too much lo re di audition jona re dor ba di poster ga di ene information e a ke na so ke no rawa re ke no create something yana maybe someone nyana ka no e bona re e da mo go tshwara
and the power of TikTok now right now TikTok you get make people be exposed you get exposure a lot of it and or batho ba o zebe of course when you from something which already went out to me and then Rababo MC Mrs
la bona MC ne okay Rababo MC askale gitu re ke no re moraunyana saliga idea marabe ke no ba dating the small part nyana so no I was like nkago ithomanyana skala I was like hey man ngiyakhona entertainer batho ngiyakhona wina ngiyakhona emabela batho ba tseba enjoy how about to get try something else nyana ya or maybe le nabe nyingazi pusha nyana like this so gar okay I were get try MC ngibona ga no drop poster batho ba thembisa ba tlo supporta
Really?
ke no poster a una le motho a re maybe o mbonisa mo enkidi ke no bela motho ka re bona ndiele poster ya bo MC mo a ga no ja ga no re khatla Facebook ka share ntsha di groupung a thembisa do support
la se go dilo ka thembisa ke balobedu
go
da ka ba thembisa ona le ya matswi una le kitagoni
ela ka mga imo e thembisa ke no bona tuduntu ra o talk ke re banna a se modimolo jaje batho ba ba se bo mbona mara like ba khona re bela ibla ba bujisi o available ga date so o charge buga nene ke re awa nka trom o charge buga ra o bela le nna ke re guy ne tre guy ibla go ro ba itjha la mathomanyana kana ba di guy an ka o pula bozinga ro okay go di ene nna bo because lo je a ke di sibela mara ba ile ba bina ba sacrifice ka okay it be some good re continue so no very ginelo look mana di bookings from the event ja ba bija ke no la bona le kompo le rena so ke mana di gig from those events nyana ana no ke zijela fast
hey uskazi jela fast was our dynamite comes in small packages and I'm looking at you I'm like hey
le ga bona ke na the stage le
ga from molo o di
trawori ishakze ke dorgela ratro feyo be bogwa America ya cause get down so le na sham try MC ke no re ga try so ga bona re batho ba rara le radio so ga go la bele ga yo
le rare no arare
yo hawa
wa rare
le ratho la ba gora ba re ke le ratho la ba gorandra ba re ke line
la ba gorandra mara I think what stand out for me ka wena ke traba ya confidence. Yeah. And it shows your confidence igaisa motho khole and now from me I'll say I'm a big sister from me to you bona o tsweri yona ka mkhano
ne
mo ba no ro go bona le badri yo le phusha bona re le buile yana le ke bile le do bile le ke buile re lebella le lengwe and ke ntolo ro get her batho ba ntse ba ithoka yene wa disisa so I think thank you and Gubishaja all the best and then your social media swinjikiriviye ba booke budi MC ba follow and I think your character is what most of us need because batho ba lu ba putile manzo motho na ke do regene marana ke do fita ga regene batho modimo o fita ga regene but we have to close our time it's up mara ke nyaka o do kerero akenya ga re swalela ka wena o khridiela kerero ngwane
ke role no la mezi nya
re no le mezi ke mogane o re diele kerero nke khone mkholo kwa mara ke nyoko o drie na se mkholo kwa
ke no dira ke to khunyana
ka ke la ka no dira ka ke la ka eno go ba ke okay re ke diso ye wena lo ro o logulwela yona no re dira ke to khunyana
no wa re ish na se voice ga se gwa buza ke la mbono re so awa ke again na bege mlobedi
I know what happened
okay kra so kere aye ba kwena aye muilale thaga ke motho wa mogala gona ngwa kwa na ke tamunyana gwana kwa mlobedi a khosi ya msadi khosi mjaji khosi mursabula ke moroga amezi ya bula
Now, thank you very much, Ceci, for joining me here, and I wish you all the best. Karat loka muka jo didiang. Yes.
Ya lebo wa ke dobatse.
Was
I feel mo ikaya bill.
Thank you.